via Sahasraaksha. Our idea is to use computer vision coupled with surveillance cameras to make real-time detections. Now, we'll have a top-level view of our business model canvas. We bring to the table a modern, sophisticated and real-time campus security system that is reliable and cost-effective. We augment the existing surveillance camera system to bring out its full potential. Our main aim is to aid the fortification of gates and enforcing forbidden zones. To this end, we have a software as a service option and an on-premise option too. As our name stands for, Sahasraaksha's goal is to make people feel safe knowing that they are protected 24/7. The key partners in this venture would be the surveillance camera providers, the computing hardware providers, and cloud computing services. Our main activities would include the training of various object detection models and keeping on top of the research that goes on in this field. Campuses or institutions that desire a secure space are its potential customers. We will provide the necessary technical help in setting up and maintaining the infrastructure required for the system. We propose tying up with a well-established surveillance camera provider and provide our system as a value-added service in order to rapidly expand our customer base. The major costs that we would need to factor in are the hardware expenses, licensing the required object detection models, and cloud computing expenses. An insight we had was that the cost-to-benefit ratio for the customer will play a very important part in deciding our viability. The major design challenge that we are likely to face is that all our models are computationally expensive and it isn't viable to run it on every frame of the incoming video feed. We would need to develop simple algorithms that switch over to the more expensive but accurate models once the threshold is reached. Let's now look at our wireframe and basic UI prototype. This is the big picture of the complete product as a flowchart. In the front gate, the person is checked if they are wearing a mask and their temperature is found out using thermal imaging. Face and vehicle number plate information are automatically recognized and stored in the database. In the forbidden zone, as soon as a person is detected, it is logged in the database and face recognition is also performed if possible. One user told us that real-time alerts may be annoying, so it is important to make logs so that the user can take appropriate action at a later time. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability (CIA) of data and information are required in the correct amount to secure and prevent their disclosure, alteration, and destruction. We strive to provide the correct blend of these three CIA concepts to secure the information of our users. The prototype works as follows. Only authorized users can log in. Real-time AI-enabled view allows one to view the surveillance videos live while being assisted by our AI to identify any anomalies. You can also get notifications of any missed ones. Front gate. In certain areas, one can enable their mic to inform people through speakers present there. Forbidden zone. In the case of forbidden zone, one is given the option to turn off notifications and alerts. Only logs are noted to prevent spam. Logs. Authorized personnel can view all logs registered and can filter them for viewing specific logs as per their need. CCTV feed. Personnel can switch to a plain surveillance feed whenever needed, though the notifications, logs, and alerts still get registered. Thank you.